Hello students, today we are going to see how we can use the Desmos calculator to solve such a very difficult equations. This again can be solved in fraction of seconds by the help of Desmos calculator. So in SAT, we are having various questions from the SAT. First one is the number A is 120% greater than the number B. The number B Number B is 80% less than 56. What is the value of A? So this question can be easily calculated with the help of Desmos calculator. So here we are going to see how we can solve this question by Desmos. So first of all, you can see over here that A is 120% greater than B. That means my A is equals to 120%. We can convert this 120% in decimal by using the Desmos calculator, like 120 by 100. So this is giving you the answer 1.2. So my A is 1.2 times greater than the B. So this is equals to B plus 1.2 into B, which is giving us the value of A as 2.2 times B. Now, coming over to the B, the number B is 80% less than 56. So my value of B is 80%. We can calculate 80% as 80 upon 100, which is equals to 0.8. So 1 minus 0.8, that is equals to 0.2 times of 56. So we can calculate the values of A and B by using this calculator over here. We are writing A is equals to 2.2 into B and B is equals to 0.2 times of 56. So we are getting the value of A as 24.64. So this is our answer. We had calculated this very easily with the help of Desmos calculator. Now coming to the second question, if we are having this type of equation where x is for all positive values of x, then what is the value of A by B? This again can be calculated by the use of Desmos calculator. We require A by B, that means a fractional part. Okay, now see, first of all, we need to type this equation in our Desmos. So we can write any of the fraction like 1 by 2 and then change the numerator. This x 1 by, if we want cube root of x square. But if we see the calculator part, the typing keys are having only square root. So what we do is we write nth root. Okay, so this allows us to write a number over here also, that is 3. So this gives us cube root of x square. But instead of writing a variable like x over here, Desmos allowed us to write it with a subscript. So x1, this is again a variable. Okay, so x1 square upon, again we need to write nth root. So it gives us to write over here 8th root of x1 to the power 5. A subscript is there and a superscript, which is a power of that number. Now this is giving us equals to x to the power A by B. So we are writing equals to x1, a subscript again over here, to the power of A upon B. Now we need to calculate the values, but when you need to calculate the values of this over here, you have to use, instead of using the equals to sign, you need to use this sign. That is this curved sign. Okay. So, but this is giving you the values of x1 as 1 and A and B both are 1. But the question says that the value of x. It can be any positive value of x. That means we don't want the value of x1 as 1. So what we do, we just write the value of x1, the variable x1, okay, which can be any equals to any positive number. So I'm just writing a random number over here. Okay, you can give any of the random number. Okay, and this, by this, they are going to give you the answers of A and B. Now, we need the value of A by B. So what we do is, we need to calculate now equals to A upon B. This is giving us the answer in decimal form, but we require the answer in fraction. So what we do is, we just write down this number 0.04166667 and 7, and it will convert this number into a fraction. So this number is equals to 1 by 24. So our answer of this question will be 1 by 24. So you can see how easily we had simplified and solved this difficult question. Thank you so much.